Hello friends, welcome to our training video presented by Hana Equipments India Private Limited. This is a KS Medkari and today I will show you the functional description of our professional bench pH meter model number HI2215. Basically HI2215 is a microprocessor based bench pH meter and it can also measure oxidation reduction potential in millivolt. It has a unique facilities like auto temperature compensation. It has a 5-point calibration, then GLP function. You can store 100 samples into the memory. It has a USB connection for the PC communication. So this is a good meter. Now I will show you the functional description of this meter. First of all, we will see the front panel of this meter. So this is the front panel of the HI2215. This is a liquid crystal display, reading pH reading, whatever. Then I will show you the key. These all are the function key. Now we will see the closed loop view. The first one is a CAL. It's a very important key to enter and exit in calibration mode. The second one is a CFM GLP key to confirm calibration, different values, or to display good laboratory practice information. Then these two are arrow keys, upper arrow, lower arrow. Basically these are the temperature key. This upper arrow key to manually increase temperature value or other parameters. Then the lower arrow key to manually decrease temperature value or other parameter. Then the next one is the setup key to enter or exit into the setup mode. Then this is also important key, range key, to select measurement range, switch to focus data in setup, or toggle between buffer value and temperature during calibration. You can select your desired range like pH, millivolt, relative millivolt. Then the next one is a log CLR key to store a value into the memory, to clean pH calibration, or to delete the log data. And the last one is the RCL to recall the memory. So this is the front panel of this HI2215. Now we'll see the close look of our rear panel. This is the rear panel of the HI2215. This is the on-off key to switch on or switch on of the instrument. This is connection for 12-volt DC adapter. This is a USB port. BNC connection for pH ORP electrode. Temperature connection and socket for reference electrode. So this is a short functional description of HI2215.